It has extremely high requirements for the production and the environment in food workshops. In addition to the hygiene standards required for the staff to ensure the safety, hygiene, and quality of food production in the workshop, there are also special requirements for cleanroom cranes. It can reach cleanliness class 100 by KUNFENG cleanroom cranes, and its material is made of food-grade stainless steel, which has good corrosion resistance. It can avoid dust leakage with enclosed hoist, and its gear transmission adopts high-precision helical gears, which can effectively reduce the impact and vibration between gears and reduce noise. In addition, explosion-proof motors and electrical components are specially equipped by designers to prevent explosion accidents caused by electrical sparks. Widely used in braised meat workshops, ham sausage processing workshops, milk drinks, canned vegetables, and other food workshops. KUNFENG cleanroom cranes can be customized to meet the different needs of customers. Please feel free to leave a message and visit the factory for free.